Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to connect Zapier and Notion. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to automate workflows between Notion and other apps, saving you time on repetitive tasks. First, open your web browser and navigate to Zapier.com. Once you're on the site, log in using your credentials. This will take you to your Zapier dashboard where you can manage all your automations. Now look for the Zap button and click on it. This is where you'll start building your automation workflow. A Zap is essentially a connection between two or more apps that helps them work together automatically. Next, you'll need to click on the Trigger button. The trigger is what starts your automation. It's the event that kicks everything off. In the search field that appears, type in Notion and select it from the results. This tells Zapier that you want Notion to be the app that triggers your automation. After selecting Notion, you'll see a drop-down menu with different action events. From this menu, choose Updated Properties in Data Source Item. This specific trigger will monitor your Notion databases for any property changes, allowing you to respond to updates in real time. Now it's time to connect your Notion account to Zapier. Click on the option to connect your Notion account. This step is essential because it gives Zapier permission to access your Notion workspace and perform actions on your behalf. Once you've initiated the connection, click Continue. You'll be redirected to a screen where you need to paste your Notion integration token. This token acts as a secure key that authorizes Zapier to communicate with your Notion account. Paste the token into the token field, then click Yes, Continue to Notion. If you don't have a token yet, you'll need to generate one in your Notion settings first. After authorizing the connection, Notion may prompt you to select specific pages or databases that you want Zapier to access. This is a security feature that ensures Zapier only has access to the exact resources you choose. Select the appropriate pages or databases from the list, then click Continue. Give it a moment to process and establish the connection. And that's it. You've successfully connected Zapier and Notion, and you're now ready to automate tasks between these two powerful platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.